Uyu ni mururungano wa thayo wa arutani ya JSS thukuru-ini cia aria makoretwo makiruta wira rungu rwa mutaratara wa internship guthomithia arutwo a JSS kuma gatagati-ini ka mucii munene wa Nairobi nginyanagia wabici-ini nene cia kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC mwena wa Upper Hill makienda kamiti ya TSC imahingirie mendekithia mao. Na orere mekinyirie mbere ya wabici makorire metereirwo ni maabithaa ya a borithi aria megwithaite na thimbo na hau ihenya ria kaguru ndeithia riambiriria o mundu agithara ndagatungio bara na mururungano wao watharario. Arutani aya ni maniriire mukana wa gukaiga MIRO yao thi tariki 29 riria arutwo magakorwo magicokereria mathomo mao tamu-ini ya KERI kiumia giukite angikorwo kamiti ya TSC ndigakorwo mahingiirie riendekithia riao ria kumandika wira wa gutura.
We will obey the court ruling by staying away from schools in the name of internship. All teachers shall be involved in a national demonstration as a call and agitation for action from TSC in a bid to comply with the ruling.
We want to address all parents. We want you to know that your students will be in school without no teacher. You will be paying school fees for no reason.
Arutani aya ni mokireire kamiti ya TSC makiuga ni yagararite watho wa igoti ria macira ma wandikani riria rianiriire mutaratara wa internship kuri arutani makiria ma 50,000 ni mugaru na watho.
Internship remains illegal, null and void. And any teacher who shall report to school in the name of internship shall be deemed to have violated the court ruling by engaging in an illegal activity.
JSS interns are no longer interns. It is already illegal. It is an illegal contract.
Riu ni moritie kamiti ya TSC imarihe o mundu ciringi 480 cia ihinda riria marutire wira wa guthomithia arutwo rungu rwa mutaratara wa internship.
We are calling upon the TSC CEO, Dr. Nancy Macharia, kindly, we need our money, compensate us immediately and confirm us.
Makiria ma arutani 50,000 niyo mandikitwo wira na mushara wa igoto kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 ona thengia wao gukorwo makinyanirie mathomo ma urutani na makandikithio na kuheo marua ma urutani ni kamiti ya TSC. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.